Yes. We have another song request today. So I think when I'm doing these requests, these personal requests, I'm gonna start wearing these shades, eh? I don't know. I just want an excuse to drip. You know, y'all can see my setup now. You're gonna see that I'm tapping out screens and everything. Like this is it. This is it. You know. Anyway. Hello everybody. This is Phoenix 101. We got this Mockumentary rap, Hyperpop, something. It's like almost 2 minutes, so let's pop. Alright. Why are you like zooming up to her pelvis all the time? Hey man, you like what you like, bro, but like, alright.
She's a little crazy, I don't care. She is just my type, so I'm gonna stare. Pretty face and eyes, you know, staring at my She's a little crazy, I don't care. She is just my type, so I'm gonna stare. Pretty face and eyes, you know, staring at my She's at the feet, looking at her.
It's right. Like, okay. I like the beat. I like the beat, you know. Lyrically, it's like okay. Let's see how this goes.
She's at the feet, looking at her. She's the girl of my dreams. Told her that I like her. You know what I mean?
Right.
All she did was smile, think that I'm gonna scream. Do you hear my heart beating for you? She replied just lightly, do you like me?
Hey yo, this a bop though.
I'm dying, that's all likely.
This a bop though, I ain't gonna hold you.
Just like me. She's a little crazy, I don't care.
Hey, hold on. This is fire. Yeah. Hold on. Bro. Please don't let this show up on my YouTube. It's a reaction.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの?
Yeah, you gonna show us why she's crazy. She's insane. The beat's fire, you know? It's one of those. This isn't a genre that I really listen to much. This hyperpop. And, you know, it's the crazy high auto-tune and everything. Cause of it's cool. It's dope. Like, the beat's fire. Like, it's actually a bop. It's honestly, it's a bop. It got me staring, it's something that could actually, if I could hear what was being said even more, like if the mix was just better, then it would probably be stuck in my head. Cause this beat hype, like I ain't gonna hold you. This beat, like it's a dope beat. It's a dope beat. So. It's a yeah. I don't really know what else to say. It's not bad. It's just, yeah.